Okay, so Rfox on Bittrex, yeah, fantastic, awesome news. In theory, it will pump the price, even if it's not initially. Give it some time, and the price will pump massively. So if we compare these charts here, you can see the one, two, three, four, five. Well, you can see it here. It's pretty much the same. After a 10x or whatever it is, 15x, yeah, beautiful. It probably will need some time to consolidate. I wouldn't be surprised. It might take a bit of period of time here, but if it's getting delisted or getting listed even, that might actually pump the price even more. Now, when I look at this chart here, well, you can see the dips on it are very, very shallow at this point. If you take a measured move from here to here and move that up to here, well, if you take it from the top of the range, it hits it spot on. I like to take it from the bottom of the range, to be fair, usually because sometimes you take it to the top, it doesn't quite hit target. If you take it from here on the lows, you can usually hit target. So again, there probably will be a third wave up on this. I would say that third wave should easily take us to that 2,500 level, whatever that is. I mean, the volume here is quite fantastic compared to what it was. I know there was mention today about the volume and liquidity in it, but look at the strength of this. This is fantastic. It's exactly what you want to see, and this is very early days. Like look at this. There's nothing here to even look at. This is just brand new. In for example, what is this? That's 61 days. We get the 100 days here. We get the 100 bars, and you're going to get the red 200 moving average starting to form on the chart underneath price. This is a bullish sign in itself. And when you're forming price, above this, even if we consolidate for there, we come down into this. This is probably going to set this up and push this more to the upside, especially with a USD pair and and then the 200 forming on the chart. This in itself is a blueprint for success pattern. So it really just looks like you just need patience on it. Just sit on it and relax.